Okay.
You see what Grandma and Grandpa sent you? Yes. Uh-oh. Let's see what it says. Baby's first Halloween. Look. No, you get it. You get it. And look at that. How pretty is that? Let's see. Oh, it'll fit you to a T. It's orange.
Okay.
Logan. Look at the camera. Look at that.
Logie.
Say
Hi, baby.
Say thank you.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, smile. Oh, and look what else we got in here. We got a book. Here comes Halloween. You probably put it in your mouth though, huh? Oh, you want the book? Here. Yes, we like the book. And you got a card too. It says, it's your first Halloween. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Here's a little baby ghost to wish you a tiny, cutie, a happy, fun first Halloween from your head down to your booties. Booties. Happy Halloween, Logan. Love and kisses, Grandpa Kenny and Grandma Ann. Nice. Looky. See it? Peekaboo. 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 He likes the book. Okay, say bye. Say thank you. Good daddy.
Logie. Logie.
Say thank you.